Christmas rings out the bells round the world. Truly the sound of pleasant joy and humble glory. This Christmas hear the song of happy charming plans, of giving and generosity. All who believe that good will inherit thee, all who believe in star spontaneity, all who treasure peaceful journey of our minds, human nature surely will save humankind. All who have triumphed over cruel adversity, all who have stayed the moral course and calmly faced it, those are our champions who have freely worshipped good. May they days forever be the ones who trust. Merry Christmas rings out the bells around the world. Truly the sound of pleasant joy and humble glory. This Christmas hear the song of happy charming plans, of giving and generosity. All who believe that good will inherit thee, all who believe in star spontaneity, all who treasure peaceful journey of our minds, human nature surely will save humankind. All who have triumphed over cruel adversity, all who have stayed the moral course and calmly faced it, those are our champions who have freely worshipped good. May their days forever be the ones who thrive.